Ever heard the term ragchew? In amateur radio, ragchew means an informal talk or a little talk in layman's language to gossip about small things of amateur radio. But do you know its origin? Hey Hannis, this is Oishi with your Oscar Sierra and here I am to help you. Ragchew came from the English phrases chew the fat or chew the rag, though there remains many debates regarding who invented it. But it is speculated this phrase may have come from women who chatted while sewing. In Random House Historical Dictionary of American Slang from 1875, there are references in this regard. And a decade later, the English Army also used this phrase as a code language to get past to their enemy. Well, isn't it amazing how words change their forms from a time to this decade? So, for more such updates, keep following Oscar India.